Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Welcome to Blackstrap Lake, a beautiful and serene destination located in central Saskatchewan. Situated just south of Saskatoon, Blackstrap Lake is a man-made reservoir that was created in the late 1960s as part of a project to provide additional water supply for the city. The lake is named after Blackstrap Mountain, which is nearby, and is itself named after a type of molasses that was historically produced in the area. The lake and its surrounding area have become a popular recreational spot for both locals and visitors. Blackstrap Lake is known for its clear waters and sandy beaches, making it an ideal location for swimming, boating, and fishing. The area also offers a variety of outdoor activities, including hiking, camping, and picnicking, making it a perfect getaway for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Whether you're looking to enjoy the great outdoors or simply relax by the water, Blackstrap Lake offers a welcoming and picturesque setting for all who visit. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Blackstrap Lake, Saskatchewan.